Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to invest in any NBA team on Vestibles. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, I'm just gonna go to google.com and here I'm gonna search for Vestibule NBA team, or you can just search for Vestibule here, and you can just go to vestibule.co, and here if you are on an iOS device, you're gonna have to click on download on the App Store. If you are on an Android device, you're gonna have to click on get it on Google Play. And once you download it to your device, you can start investing in athletes. So basically you invest in a team or an athlete, and you will earn a percentage from their monthly income. So as you can see guys, there are many athletes, and if you download the application, you will have the option to invest in their teams as well. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.